Friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the price prediction of Ravencoin, as it a best time to sell it, hold it or buy it. I'm going to show you in this video with the proof. So before starting this video, please kindly subscribe my channel. If you don't subscribe my channel, please my wish to hit 3k subscriber. Please help me and subscribe my channel. Now let's see the price prediction of Ravencoin, and I'm talk about you what's going in the market of cryptocurrencies, as it a best time to sell, hold or buy Ravencoin in the market. It's currently at this time. So first of all, we see the last 1 hour reset of the Ravencoin. What's the change occur on the Ravencoin in the previous last 1 hour? What's the price changes? As you can see here, first of all, we look the graph of the Ravencoin in the previous hour. As you can see here, it's clearly falls down, very badly falls down. Absolutely bad news for all Ravencoin holders. As you can see here, the changes is a negative 0.41% change occur in the only last 1 hour. Absolutely bad changes in the Ravencoin. If we see the high price of Ravencoin is in the last 1 hour, so the high price of Ravencoin is about $0.194088 is the high price of Ravencoin in the previous last 1 hour. So it is clear the last 1 hour result of the Ravencoin is absolutely bad. Now let's see the last 1 hour result after last 2 hour. What's the price change occurs in the Ravencoin? Oh my god, this, as you can see here, after a great jump they falls down. It currently, as you can see here, at this time they take a jump. In the previous hour they take a jump, but now currently, if we see the current situation of Ravencoin, so they falls down at this time. So friends, that is the only last 2 hour result you are watching now. As I told you at the start of this video, the previous last 1 hour they falls down continuously, but if we see at the previous 2 hour result, so at the previous 2 hour they jumping upward. As you can see, jumping at this time, jumping at this time. So maybe they jumping in the future hours, as you can see, and more jumping in the previous hour. So that is why my suggestion to hold Ravencoin, because that is the start of month. That is why they falls down small. That is why they take a small dumping at this time. So my suggestion to hold it. What's your suggestion? Please share in the comment box. As you can see here, the changes is about positive 0.06% change occur in the previous 2 hour, and the price of Ravencoin is about $0.194209. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.